Welcome back to Alien RestoMod. What we're going to do today is we're going to test these injectors I have. And as a setup, this is the old fuel rail from the original 553. Got on this side we got the odd 1357 2468. I know 4, 6, and 8 are running hot just based off of discoloration. And number 2 cylinder is not even, it's not even hot when we get done running, which is weird. And the other ones on the other side are not hot at all either. But based off that, I know those are running rich, but I want to know how much. I want to make sure all these are running okay. After I get a sample, I'm going to do like 3 times, and then whatever I get, I'm going to go with that. I don't know how. I do not have enough graduated cylinders to measure how much is flowing out. So I'm just going to turn these 2 off. I'll pressurize the system, see if they leak, but then I'll unplug them so they're not firing during operations. So let's go ahead and start off down here. I'm going to go ahead and use gas. I did not want to use gas, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm just real skittish because if you've seen my videos before, I caught fire. Fire is bad. I do have 2 fire extinguishers standing by. But anyways, this is the pump. This is a high flow pump. I should have got just a regular pump, but I got a high flow because it was on sale. High flow pump. It's going to draw it in, draw it up to the pressure regulator, in here, and return back down to the fuel. Fuel pressure regulator is going to shoot it up, and it's going to go into the fuel rail. Now I went ahead and crimped it, and I just shoved that with pretty much window caulking. I don't know if that's going to hold, but we'll see. I should have welded it, but again, I didn't want to catch fire. But anyways, it's going to come in here, and I'm going to go ahead and test to make sure I got 58 psi. Hook it up right here, test it, and we'll be good to go. Each one is held in by a clip, so these will not come off, hopefully. I got everything hooked up to the battery. I got an on-off switch. And I don't have the injectors hooked up yet. I want to test the pressure first. Then I'll turn on the injectors, clear them out, dump it, and then go on from there. But so let's get started. Wish me luck. All right, here's an update. Remember I told you the caulking? Well, it didn't work. So what happened is I pulled out the caulking and I welded it. And it took about 3 times. I think I got it right this time. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and run this. And we're only using the 6 cylinders because I don't have enough tubes. These 2 are unhooked. And I'll see if they drip. I'll have something down here. See if they drip. And we're going to run it. And then we'll write down the results. I'm going to do it 3 times. And then we'll run 5 and 7 at the end. So let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, here are the first results. We got 2468. 2 is 36. 468 is 37. At least those 3 are consistent. Those are the hot ones. Now the 1 and 3, 1 is 36, the other one's 38. All right, that was the 5th test. Yeah, 5th test. And as to see the results, and it's a 10 count. It's not accurate on the 10 because I might fluctuate, you know, say it faster or slower, whatever. But 2, 4, 6, 8, they're not off by much. 6 has been running rich just by one, you know, one tick mark. 38, an 8, 38, 39, 38, and 1 and 3 are 43, 44, 38, 39. Consistency, which is good. Here's the first go around. We had 36, 37, 37, 37, 36, 37, 36, 35, 39, 40, 40, 40, 36, 38, 35, 36, 40, 41. So I think, you know, as I run fuel through everything, it seems to be, you know, consistently leveling out. I don't know. Let's go ahead and try 5 and 7. All right, I'm going to call this done. Sticking a fork in it. What happened? What was our objective? Our objective was to find if the injectors were working correctly and if there was an overflow of fluid coming out. But we also were able to build an apparatus to test those injectors, and that is, I think, was a success. Based on the numbers, I think the injectors are flowing consistently. I know they're not all the same. I know the 10 count might be off based on, you know, human alien error, but it is what it is. What can I take away from this? I don't think cylinder 4, 6, and 8 are the issue with running hot. I think there's something else. Actually, I don't think the injectors are causing it to run hot. There's something else going on. I have to figure it out. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and leave a comment. I love comments. Comments are gifts. I accept all gifts with, you know, open arms. Anyways, have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time on Alien RestoMod Garage.